back to our channel, The Hallyu Talk. I'm Akansha.
And I'm Sanskruti.
And we got our invitation of Squid Games and we took a ride there.
And now we are here to tell you about our experiences.
So without wasting any minute, let's get started. The drama shows how a total of 456 financially desperate people risk their lives in a mysterious survival games. And those games were very popular games of 70s and 80s, which like every children plays.
Yeah, like those games was very common, like the
Red,
green
light.
light games and marble games we used to play. But the main point was whoever will get eliminated
will get.
खत्म.
First of all, this drama is not our usual K-drama, even in the thriller category. It is something else packed with action, drama, thriller, suspense and whatnot.
Exactly. So brace yourself before watching this because it will definitely keep you on your edges. And this is one of the reasons that it is a global mega hit.
Yes.
Everything was huge. The setting, background, music.
Music was actually right on point, giving that mysterious vibes.
And everything will give you that eerie feeling, that thriller and mystery.
Yes.
That something is going on.
Netflix ने काफी खर्चा किया है.
Even that doll, which was shown in first or second episode for Red Light, Green Light games, that doll was borrowed from Jinchon village.
Actually, अब इस गेम के बारे में जब भी बात होगी ना, this Red
We
Light
get
and Green
reminded
Light,
of this.
हाँ हमेशा यही याद आएगा कि Squid Games में क्या हुआ था.
And not only this game, every game was planned in a very systematic and smart way. The writer and director of Squid Games, Hwang Dong-hyuk, he said that he nearly took 6 months to write only 2 episodes of Squid Games. I think that's a big thing.
दिखता है.
Exactly. And even the CEO of Netflix, he also has said that Squid Games is their biggest non-English show ever, or perhaps their biggest show ever.
Actually, the director thought of making this drama 10 years ago, but at that time, K actors were not ready to show this kind of violence. And
It
audience
was
भी
not common
accept.
at that time.
Yes, and audience भी accept नहीं करती इतनी brutality.
ये तो ऐसा हो गया जैसे संजय लीला भंसाली ने 10 साल लिए बाजीराव मस्तानी बनाने के लिए. So coming on to the characters, some major one were Song Hee-hoon, who is the lead, and trust me guys, he's not our usual K-drama lead who saves his people or is a able or has some different ability, but he's a total opposite of all that. So he's a divorced man and is a complete useless and who lives off his mother.
Then we have another character, Cho Sang-woo, who was manipulative and cunning, and he only had a concern for Gi-hoon for some
only
time.
little time.
Yes, and it soon disappeared.
But for his own benefit, he didn't tell something which was very important regarding games to Gi-hoon.
Yes.
There was a very mysterious character of player number 1, OL Nam, whose real identity got revealed at the end only.
I had doubt because उसको shoot करते हुए नहीं दिखाया था marble game के बाद.
And he was ever ready to play in any of the games.
Yes.
꽃이 피었습니다. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.
And Kang Se-byuk, who was a bruised lone wolf who defected from North Korea, and she wanted to give a very peaceful and happy life to her brother.
I liked her character.
And I was very sad when she died.
Yeah. So the only innocent character was Abdul Ali, who was an Pakistani immigrant. So actually he's an Indian and he has worked in many K-dramas. And
Even
हमें
in
ये नहीं
Descendants
पता
of the
था.
Sun.
और हमें ये नहीं पता था.
Exactly.
अब मेरी बात गौर से सुनो. ये पैसे लो और जितना जल्दी हो सके फ्लाइट टिकट बुक करके बच्चे को लेकर घर वापस जाओ.
Now the two most annoying characters were Jang Guk-soo and Han Min-young.
Guys will witness something very uncommon from those two. All of them were greedy and risked their lives for money, but Gi-hoon was the only one to show humanity and empathy towards others.
He had a different connection with OL Nam and he only cheated once, and after that
In the
he
marbles
felt,
game,
exactly. And after that too he felt so guilty.
Yes.
There's also a character of police inspector Hwang Jun-ho, who somehow comes on the game island, and through him we got to know about the game and the controller. And I like that bravery with that handsome face.
And how he remained there in secrecy for so many days.
And we were happy to see a known face in that cast of Squid Games.
Exactly. सिर्फ इसी को जानते थे हम और तो कोई नहीं था.
और किसी को as such नहीं देखा, सिर्फ दोक्सो को देखा हुआ है.
हाँ.
Beyond Evil.
Yes.
Our very own Goblin has also made his guest appearance in the drama.
Yes. मुझे नहीं पता था कि उसका cameo है. I expected more of him in the drama.
But after 2 or more minutes, I started hating his character. The moment you start thinking that, okay, now all of them are trusting and mingling with each other, just then a nerve-wracking game was introduced and every single bond was destroyed.
옆에 있는 짝과 시합을 벌여 상대의 굿을 10개를 모두 따내는 사람이 승리합니다.
Some questions were left unanswered. Like I wanted
So
to know.
many.
Like I wanted to know why the VIPs were betting on them. Like how are they gaining from that process?
And I was wondering what could be the main reason behind it and how they got all the information about all these desperate people.
Also, what is the backstory of Oilnam, Juno, and the Fragment? There are many things which are left unclear and incomplete.
Unanswered.
Like why Gi-hun went back to the game instead of enjoying his life.
We can only guess that he was deeply affected by all the killings and massacre, and I think that's why he didn't spend all the money for that 1 year. And that's why he wanted to put a stop to it.
And also, there's one more question: that what happened to Juno? How can he die only from one shot?
And that too on his shoulder.
Yes. Though we didn't like this drama that much, maybe because of our taste in K-dramas.
But it was nice to see something different rather than our usual K-dramas, which we definitely love. But it was nice. It was nice.
Yes. The writer has ended the drama on some anti-climax points, and he said that currently there are no plans of season 2.
We can only hope for it to happen because we all want answers of our questions.
Yes. So this is all our experience of this ride of Squid Games.
Comment down below what you think about this drama and what was your reaction when you saw this.
Yes. So like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Till then,
Goodbye.
annyeong.